Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. And I just have to tell you about my new favorite household item that really helps to eliminate odors. It's the Fresh Wave Odor Removing Gel, and I got the bundle. So these gels are just awesome, and I use them all over my home, in my trailer, and anywhere that I feel I might need a bit of a scent refresh. The gels themselves are made of plant-based materials, so they're not toxic, so I definitely feel safe using them around my animals. The gels come in a jar and the lid keeps it really secure. Right now, I have one of these in my bathroom and I love how I can walk into the bathroom and it smells so fresh and clean. For me, the 15-ounce gels have lasted way longer than a month, so that's a win-win. The jars are also a good size and you could probably tuck them behind something to make them less visible. I just have to say, I'm a really big fan of this company and their products. I have used other odor eliminators from them, and the quality is just spot on. If you're working through some odor issues in your home, car, or trailer, I would recommend trying out the Fresh Wave Odor Eliminating Gels. And that's my point of view.